back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how I make this amazing savory cake that's very easy to make. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in sausage or hot dog. I then added in cheese. I use mozzarella and a different kind of cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. I then added in black olives, stirred till well combined, and then set it aside. In a different bowl, I added in eggs. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then added in sugar. To that I added in salt and grated cheese. I'll whisk, or you can use your spoon to stir till well combined. So once everything is well combined, I then went ahead and added in milk and oil. I used sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So once it is added, go ahead and whisk until well combined again, and then add in the flour. So the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, beat at a time, whisk. You want it to mix well. And then I added in instant yeast, not baking powder, not dry active yeast. This is instant yeast. So I added in the flour, beat at a time until all is added, and then whisk till well combined. So this is more or less the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Once everything is mixed well, go ahead and add in the cheese, the sausage, and the black olives. But I kept some aside to decorate on top once I've transferred it to my baking pan. So stir to well combined and keep it aside. Go ahead and spray your baking pan. I've forgotten the size of this baking pan. I forgot it. Go ahead and grease it. If you don't have that oil spray, you can use butter to grease it, and then turn in the butter. Make sure you don't make any mess. So once everything is added, go ahead and sprinkle the rest of the cheese and the sausage and the black olives, and then put it in the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius from 30 to 40 minutes until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. So this is what you're looking for. The last ingredient that I sprinkled on top was fresh rosemary, which is totally optional. If you want, that's fine. You can even use fresh parsley instead of the rosemary. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, it is easy, and trust me, this is delicious. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? This is amazing. This is delicious. Wow. And it's beautiful, guys. Look at how it came out as how I wanted, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Wow, this is wow, and it's delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And as always, enjoy. Just look at this. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.